34. During a snowstorm, snow fell at a constant rate of 3 inches per hour. Which graph correctly represents the unit rate for this proportional relationship? Okay, so they want to know which graph shows this snow falling at a constant rate of 3 inches per hour. We know they're all proportional because they all go through the origin and they all look like straight lines. They're all straight lines. The question is, which one is showing that constant rate of 3 inches per hour? Let's go ahead and make a knot plot and then figure out what this line should look like. Anytime we see the word for, every, or per, or each, that is our hint that that is where the variable goes. So I'm going to put my x here. If I were to write this equation, we know if it's proportional, the equation would be y equals kx, or it is a direct variation. The question is, what's my k? Well, they tell us right here, it falls at 3 inches per hour. Also, anything that's in front of that per is your slope. So my line should show y equals 3x. All right, I apologize if you couldn't see that. So y equals 3x. A slope of 3 is really a slope of 3 over 1. This is the same thing as the whole number 3. And what that means is that we rise 3 and we run 1. So from the origin, we're going to make sure that we're rising 3 and running 1. Okay, so I should have a point here on my line, and I don't see that. A does not work out. Let's take a look at B. B, from the origin, rise 3, run 1. Okay, there's a point. Rise 3, run 1. Rise 3, run 1. B checks out so far. Let's take a look at C. C has point at the origin, rise 3, run 1. So I should have a point there, and this one's actually 3 over 2. I should have another point from there, rising 3, running 1. And it's not lining up. It's very close, but it's not exact. Last one is D. Starting from the origin, we should rise 3, run 1. Rise 3, run 1. This one, once again, is pretty close, but it's not exact. This one is rising 1, running 1. So, the B's have it. That is the correct visual representation of snow falling at a constant rate of 3 inches per hour.